Welcome to Signal to Alpha, your essential market briefing. I'm Lady Muriel, cutting through the noise to deliver what moves markets today. Let's get you your alpha before the opening bell. Here's your executive summary. President Trump has reached a comprehensive peace deal with Iran that's sending shockwaves through global markets. Oil prices are plunging, stock futures are jumping, and we're seeing a major shift in the geopolitical risk premium. Meanwhile, new AI export restrictions could trigger sector rotation, and Trump heads to the G7 with trade tensions still simmering. Let's dive into the details. The Iran peace agreement is the headline dominating trading desks this morning. Trump announced the deal is complete, authorizing the toll-free opening of the Strait of Hormuz and removing the U.S. naval blockade. His message to the world: let the oil flow. West Texas. Intermediate crude for July delivery dropped over 5% to $80.40 per barrel. That's down roughly 33% from the peak of $119.48 when the conflict started. Brent crude fell 5% to $83 per barrel, a 30% decline from wartime highs. The formal signing ceremony is scheduled for Friday in Switzerland, with European leaders backing the framework pending verifiable Iranian compliance on nuclear programs. Stock futures are surging on this news. According to research firm Citrini, we could see the S&P 500 hit 8,000 before any meaningful headwinds appear. In their bull case scenario, they're projecting another 10 to 15% upside from current levels, with AI stocks potentially doubling. But it's not all smooth sailing. The U.S. government slapped export restrictions on Anthropic's advanced AI models late Friday. The company had to disable its Fable 5 and Mythos 5 models when accessed by foreign nationals. UBS Global Wealth Management expects chip stocks to face further selling pressure from this news, while software stocks could benefit from the restrictions. Trump's heading to France for the G7 summit tomorrow with Iran deal momentum, but trade fights are waiting. His America First tariff policies remain a friction point with allies. A new report from Advancing American Freedom claims Trump's Liberation Day tariffs cost up to 1 million jobs nationwide, with manufacturing losing 75,000 positions in the first year. The White House disputes these findings, but markets are watching trade policy closely. On the commodities front, gold has corrected roughly 25% from recent highs, but Barclays sees a rebound coming. Their fair value estimate sits at $4,150 per troy ounce. They're recommending exposure through select mining stocks, including Newmont and Agnico Eagle mines. Bottom line, the Iran peace deal is the catalyst reshaping risk premiums across asset classes. Lower oil prices ease inflation concerns and boost consumer discretionary spending power. Stock multiples get support from falling geopolitical risk. But watch for volatility around AI regulation and ongoing trade negotiations. That's your signal to alpha for today. Subscribe for tomorrow's essential market briefing. Trade smart, stay informed. Check us out at capitalcopilot.io.